down. Yeah, I've been feeling so. I've been.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, good morning all. Let me introduce myself. My name is Aisyah Bella. In this video, I will talk about comparison of American education with Indonesian education. Okay, first let's talk about how is the education system in America and Indonesia. What we know is that America is a developed country and its education system is very satisfying. The education system in Indonesia and America are very different. In Indonesia, as we know, grade promotion or graduation is more concerned with the final grade than the learning process. Meanwhile, in America, more importance on the process, because if the process is good, then you will get good results too. In America, there are no fixed subjects like Indonesia, and there is no fixed curriculum, which means that the education system there has no mandatory classes, and there are also no mandatory test or assessment. And then for learning in Indonesia, what I know from several searches is that Indonesia uses more material, sometimes to the point that is exceeds our thinking ability to digest it. As in my experience, it is true. Sometimes too much material is conveyed, which makes us feel even more dizzy, and in the end we don't get anything. Okay, meanwhile in America use the technique of learning through practice, because if we remember it has been proven, if we practice it directly, it can make it easier for us to remember it, because we can immediately get examples of the results, and it is more effective than memorizing the material. And then in America used the quarter system. There are quarters for there are 4 quarters a year with a duration of 3 months. As I saw in the movies, there are 2 holidays, namely a summer holiday for 1 month and a winter holiday for 2 weeks. Meanwhile, in Indonesia, as we experience, Indonesia uses a semester system, such as a year and 2 semesters with a duration of 5 to 6 months, and there are holidays every semester. Maybe that's all I can say. I'm sorry if there's something wrong, because everything I talked about was only according to my understanding. Once again, I'm sorry and many thanks from me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.